Flat, limp hair is one of the most common styling challenges out there. You try every curling wand, every blow-dry hack, but by midday, your roots are back to lifeless. That's where a powerful root lifter makes all the difference. In today's video, we're diving deep into the top 5 best root lifters that actually work, adding volume, bounce, and life to even the thinnest strands. Whether your hair is fine, straight, or just refuses to hold shape, this list has got something just for you. Let's jump into number 1. Kicking off our list at number 1, Redken Rootful. The Redken Rootful 06 Root Lifting Spray is a salon favorite when it comes to lightweight, targeted volume. Designed specifically for fine to medium hair, this spray offers root lift without leaving your strands sticky or crunchy. It's part of Redken's professional-grade styling line and is loved for its precision nozzle and touchable finish. Key features: Redken Rootful 06 features a clean feel technology that avoids buildup and a targeted applicator that helps you focus on lifting specific sections of your hair. It's heat compatible, meaning it works seamlessly with blow dryers or round brushes. The medium control formula offers flexible volume, and the anti-frizz ingredients ensure your roots lift without flyaways. Benefits and usage: this product excels at creating long-lasting lift at the roots without compromising movement or softness. To use, apply directly to damp roots and use a round brush while blow drying for best results. The fine mist gives you even coverage, and the product dries down without leaving residue, making it great for daily use. Usability: Redken's formula is non-greasy and distributes evenly through different hair types. It's easy to apply even for beginners and doesn't weigh down thin hair. The lightweight texture also makes it suitable for layering with other styling products like mousse or texturizing sprays. Durability: Redken Rootful 06 holds up well throughout the day, maintaining volume for up to 8 to 10 hours in most cases. The bottle lasts quite a while since only a few spritzes are needed per session. Users report consistent results even with long-term use, and the nozzle remains clog-free. In the second spot, we have Big Sexy Hair Root Pump. The Big Sexy Hair Root Pump Plus is a high-powered mousse that targets volume at the scalp for big, bold hairstyles. Known for its strong hold and all-day support, this is a favorite among users with thick or coarse hair who want major volume that doesn't collapse halfway through the day. Key features: this root lifter uses a humidity-resistant formula, which makes it perfect for warm or muggy climates. It sprays out as a mousse and transforms into a volumizing texture once applied. It's formulated to support the hair at the root while offering a full-bodied lift throughout the strands. Benefits and usage: ideal for dramatic volume, this mousse is best applied to damp hair at the roots. Blow drying activates the formula and gives that instant boost. Users appreciate that it keeps hair lifted and full even in difficult weather conditions, making it a go-to for special events or long days. Usability: while the product is powerful, it's very user-friendly. The mousse consistency is easy to control and doesn't feel sticky if evenly distributed. It's suitable for all hair types but works especially well on medium to thick textures. The scent is clean and not overpowering, which is a bonus. Durability: Big Sexy Hair Root Pump Plus excels in longevity. Users often get 10 to 12 hours of visible lift. Even after brushing through the hair or lightly styling post-application, the volume tends to stay intact. The large canister also lasts a long time, offering great value. Coming in at number 3 is the Moroccanoil Root Boost. The Moroccanoil Root Boost brings together volume and nourishment in one sleek product. Known for its signature argan oil-infused line, Moroccanoil offers this root lifter for those who want volume and hair health in one formula. It's a great option if your scalp is sensitive or your hair tends to dry out from other products. Key features: infused with antioxidant-rich argan oil, this spray mousse hybrid not only lifts the roots but also conditions the hair. It offers medium hold, thermal protection, and anti-static properties. The formula is sulfate and paraben-free, and it smells like the classic Moroccanoil scent everyone loves. Benefits and usage: you'll see immediate volume when applied to damp roots and activated with a blow dryer. It's especially effective when used in sections and blow dried with a round brush. Your hair feels fuller, smoother, and shinier, all without stickiness or stiffness. Usability: the nozzle gives even distribution, and the mousse is easy to work with. It's lightweight enough for fine hair but nourishing enough for dry or color-treated strands. Those with sensitive scalps often report no irritation, making it a great multitasking option. Durability. While it gives more of a natural lift than extreme height, the volume lasts a solid 8 hours or more. The product remains flexible and doesn't cause flaking or dryness. The bottle is compact, but a little goes a long way, and it travels well without leaking. Taking our fourth spot is Bumble and Bumble Thickening Spray. The Bumble and Bumble Thickening Spray is a cult favorite pre-styler that adds body and structure at the root level. Lightweight and versatile, this spray has been a go-to for both stylists and at-home users for over a decade. It's especially ideal for those who prefer volume with flexibility and movement. Key features. This formula uses hydrolyzed wheat protein to plump up strands and add body. It's heat-activated and offers thermal protection while giving you buildable lift and support. It's alcohol-free, which prevents drying, and works well on color-treated and fine hair alike. Benefits and usage. The thickening spray should be applied to damp hair before blow-drying. The product lifts roots, thickens individual strands, and helps maintain your style without looking stiff or overloaded. It's also effective when combined with rollers or hot tools for even more volume. Usability. This is a spray-and-go kind of product. It's lightweight, easy to control, and doesn't feel greasy even with layering. Because of its protein content, it not only styles but also strengthens hair over time, making it a smart daily use product. Durability. The lift lasts moderately well. Expect 6 to 8 hours of root height in normal conditions. While not the longest lasting option on the list, its flexibility makes it perfect for day-to-day use. The bottle lasts several months with regular use, and its fine mist applicator stays clog-free. And finally, at number 5, we have Paul Mitchell Extra Body. The Paul Mitchell Extra Body Boost is a root lifting spray designed to give fine, limp hair an immediate volume surge. Backed by Paul Mitchell Salon Heritage, this product focuses on building lift at the roots without adding heaviness or residue to the rest of your hair. Key features. This product features a precise spray nozzle for targeted application and contains panthenol, provitamin B5, which helps to add body while maintaining moisture balance. It's color-safe, vegan, and paraben-free, making it a great clean beauty option in the root lifter category. Benefits and usage. The Root Boost is designed to be used directly at the scalp, especially around the crown and sides. Spray onto towel-dried hair, section by section, and follow with a blow dryer. You'll notice your roots lifting and separating without a crunchy texture. It's especially effective when followed up with a volumizing brush. Usability. The lightweight mist is easy to direct exactly where you need volume. It absorbs quickly, doesn't weigh hair down, and pairs well with other Paul Mitchell styling products. It works well for everyday volume and doesn't interfere with colored or treated hair. Durability. Expect about 7 to 9 hours of lifted volume, depending on humidity levels. It offers reliable performance without needing a midday refresh. The bottle's design makes it easy to grip and control, and it doesn't require a lot of product to get noticeable results. There you have it, the top 5 best root lifters that genuinely deliver volume from the crown up. Whether you need all-day support, a natural boost, or a root lift that nourishes while it styles, there's something here for every hair type and goal. Don't let limp roots hold back your style anymore. Pick the product that fits your needs and transform your look right from the roots. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real product reviews you can trust.